In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Shopify store and start over. If you've been experimenting with your store, tried different themes, or made a lot of changes that you now want to undo, sometimes the easiest path is to close the store and begin fresh. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through backing up your important data, canceling any paid apps or subscriptions, and then officially canceling your current Shopify plan so you can start a new store with a clean slate. Let's start with backing up your data. This part is technically optional, but it's highly recommended. Once your store is canceled, you won't be able to easily access this information, so it's smart to save it now. After logging into your Shopify admin dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Products. On the Products page, move your eyes to the top right corner and click Export. A pop-up will open asking what you'd like to export. Just the current page, all products, only selected products, or products that match a search filter. Choose the option that fits your needs. You can export as a CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet tools, or as a plain CSV file. When you're ready, click Export Products at the bottom right. You can repeat this exact process for your customers and orders sections as well, so you have a full backup of who bought from you and what they ordered. Next, you'll want to remove any paid apps or active subscriptions linked to your store, including free trials. Still in your Shopify admin, look to the lower left corner and click Settings. Inside the Settings area, use the left panel again and click on Apps. Here you'll see the apps installed on your store. For each app you're subscribed to, click on it to open the app's information page. Scroll down to the bottom right and click Uninstall App. A pop-up may ask you for a reason for uninstalling. This is optional. When you're done, confirm by clicking Uninstall. Repeat this for every paid or trial app so you don't keep getting charged after you close the store. Finally, you're ready to cancel your Shopify plan and start over. Stay inside the Settings section and from the left panel, click on Plan. At the top, you'll see a card labeled Plan Details. At the bottom right of that card, click Cancel Plan. A pop-up will appear with different options. Choose Start New Store. The pop-up will refresh and show you some important information, such as how long you'll still have access to your current store and what Shopify recommends you do before canceling. Read through this carefully, then check the box that says you've reviewed the information above. Click Continue. You'll be asked to enter your password to confirm. You'll also see an option to save your payment details for quicker activation of your next store. Check or uncheck this based on your preference. When everything looks correct, click Cancel Plan at the bottom right. Once that's done, your current Shopify store will be on its way to being closed, and you'll be ready to create a brand new store from scratch, using the lessons you've learned to build it better the second time around.